Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I want to show you what I installed from CNC Racing. It's their gas cap with a little bit of a carbon fiber inlet, as you'll see. It's a quick release, right? So no key, just push down and pull up and then it comes out. Quickly fill up gas. And what I also ordered from Moto Composites is a carbon fiber tank cover that will match this carbon fiber heat shield that I ordered from Moto Composites that match the plain weave of the original Ducati design, with some CNC screws that go along with it. Put some CNC screws here to kind of help pop off some of the black. And that's kind of it for this go around. Oh, and by the way, something really cool to show you. I received this from Tapizeria Italia, which is my new seat cover. So I'm going to be taking it to my seat guy so he could take this off and put on the new seat cover for the low seat. So that's all I got for now. Thank you guys again so much for subscribing to the channel. Put your comments down below on anything else that I should be doing to the bike. And can't wait to show you guys what the Tapizeria seat cover will look like. See you guys later.